Dear students, we have already started chapter 11 reported speech, and we are going through the topic how to convert assertive sentences or simple sentences into indirect speech. So let's check what you have learned till now. See the sentences on your screen. Paul said, I am feeling ill. This is direct speech. Paul said that he was feeling ill. This is indirect speech. So what are the changes here? The first one is, in indirect speech there are no inverted commas. Number 2, we have added the conjunction that in indirect speech. Then pronoun is changed. In direct speech the pronoun is I, and I is first person. It will change according to subject. Subject is Paul, that is third person. So I will become he. And the next is tense change. I am feeling well. Present continuous. Change to past continuous. He was feeling ill. So today you are going to learn how to change tense in indirect speech. So you already know what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. So if the reporting verb in the direct speech is in present tense or future tense, then there will be no change in tense in reported speech. For example, my friend says he is very handsome. Here reporting verb is says and it is in present tense. So there will be no change in tense in reported speech. So the sentence will be, my friend says that he is very handsome. No change in tense. Second example, my granny will say you need to eat well. Here reporting verb is will say, that is future tense. So the indirect speech will be, my granny will say that you need to eat well. No change in tense in indirect speech. But if the reporting verb is in the past tense in the direct speech, then the tense of reported speech will change. For example, he said, I am playing. Here, said is reporting verb and it is in past tense. So the tense will change. He said that he was playing. I am playing. Present continuous will change to past continuous. He was playing. Now, there are particular rules for change in tense. Present, simple present will change to simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect will change to past perfect. Present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. Past indefinite or simple past will change to past perfect. Past continuous to past perfect continuous, and past perfect will remain same. Then future tense will change to would. Here are some examples to make this clear. The sentence is, Meera said, I go to school. This is simple present tense. It will be changed to simple past. Meera said that she went to school. Go will change to went. Then they said, we went at work. This sentence is in simple past. It will change to past perfect. They said that they had gone at work. In the same way, present continuous will change to past continuous, present perfect to past perfect. Past perfect will remain same, and future tense will change to would. Now models change. Can we change to could, and may will change to might. For example, she said, I can go to the party tonight. Indirect speech will be, she said she could go to the party that night. Here the model can change to could, but the main verb go will remain same. It will be can go will change to could go. If any questions, please ask me. Thank you.